Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem your Fortnite reward codes on your Fortnite or your Epic game or your Epic Games account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to redeem your reward codes on your Fortnite or your Epic Games account, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in fortnite.com like this and hit enter. And after that, you will be redirected to the Fortnite web page of the Epic Games, and you can see the sign in button on the top right corner of your screen. Click on sign in. First, to redeem your reward codes on your Epic Games from Fortnite, you will be required to log in, and to log in you can see I have just clicked on the Epic Games since I have signed up for Epic Games with my Gmail over here, and this is my Gmail and my password over here, which has been auto-filled my computer itself. Now you will require to do the same. Enter your email over here and your password over here and click on login to sign into your Epic Games. And let's verify that we are human by clicking all the birds flying. Okay, these are the birds flying. Let's next, and let's verify these pictures as well. And after logging into your Fortnite account on your computer, on the top right corner again you can see your username over here just beside the download, and when you hover over your account name on the top right corner of your screen, you can see the redeem code option available over here, which is the second one just below the account. Click on redeem code, and on this web page you'll be required to enter your access code over here, and after that click on redeem. Then whichever code you have of any free skins or your Fortnite V-Bucks, that will be redeemed and added onto your Fortnite account, and after that you can do whatever you like with those money on your Fortnite account. And then guys, this is the place where you redeem your reward, and after you enter your access code over here, click on redeem, and on the next step you will be required to verify or choose the platform on which you want to redeem your code, and after that click on continue, and then your code will be redeemed onto your account. And there guys, this is how you redeem your Fortnite code. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.